ISTQB Foundation Level, question 499. Your organization's test strategy suggests that once a system is going to be retired, data migration shall be tested. As part of what test type is this testing most likely to be performed? A. Maintenance testing. B. Regression testing. C. Component testing. D. Integration testing.
Take a moment to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to don't miss new ISTQB questions and answers that will help you guaranteed enhancing your skills. Join us on this learning journey. If you find value in that I do and my videos help you, then you have the option to donate through the links in the video description to I can release new videos on ISTQB questions on a regular basis.
Correct answer is A, according to ISTQB Syllabus. When a system is retired, this can require testing of data migration, which is a form of maintenance testing. All the rest of the answers are wrong. Answer B is not correct, because regression testing verifies whether a fix accidentally affected the behavior of other parts of the code. But now we are talking about data migration to a new system. It is a maintenance testing. Answer C is not correct, because component testing focuses on individual hardware or software components, not on data migration. Answer D is not correct, because integration testing focuses on interactions between components and/or systems, not on data migration. My recommendation: please remember maintenance testing to pass STFL exam. Explanation. Finally, let's look at the section 2.3 maintenance testing in the ISTQB syllabus, where we can see that the triggers for maintenance and maintenance testing can be classified as follows. Retirement, such as when an application reaches the end of its life. When a system is retired, this can require testing of data archiving if long data retention periods are required. Testing of restore and retrieval procedures after archiving may also be needed in the event that certain data is required during the archiving period. This is fully consistent with the correct answer A. Last but not least, as you might have already guessed, looking at your titanic efforts, diligence, and perseverance, I expect a gigantic progress from you soul. I look forward to your success, which might happen overnight. Don't stop, never give up.